Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make some black-eyed peas, and we're going to be cooking this in the pressure cooker, the Power pressure cooker, okay? Power XL pressure cooker. I can't talk. So my mother used to call black-eyed peas Black-Eyed Susie. I don't know what that means. I hope it's good, but that was her nickname for black-eyed peas. So that's what I want to show you today, okay? Quick and easy way to cook black-eyed peas or any type of beans or peas in the pressure cooker. It takes a lot less time. You don't have to cook it for hours on end. Okay? Alright, so let's do that. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe. Get the kids used to eating beans and peas because we're on hard times. And if you introduce it to them now, they'll get used to eating them. And then they'll be okay with eating them. Okay? That's one thing that I know can stretch a meal. Alright? Okay, let's do it. Thanks. Okay guys, so this is our insert that goes into the Power Pressure Cooker XL, and I have 4 3-ounce glasses of water, 4 of these, 3 ounces, okay? Alright, this is our black-eyed peas. That is a half a bag, so it's a half a pound, that I rinsed and drained. I'm going to put that in. This is the black-eyed peas, what it looks like. I got it from the Goya section, but it doesn't have to be from the Goya section. Black-eyed peas, okay? Okay, that's a half a bag. Now, I have some smoked turkey wing that I had the butcher to cut into pieces. So this is 2 pieces I'm putting in. You can put anything you want to season yours, or no meat at all. So if you want ham or I use turkey, but you can use pork, whatever you want to flavor your beans you can add, okay? Or no meat at all. This is 1 large onion cut up. I'm going to put that in. Now I want to add some chicken base. I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of that. Okay, I'm not going to add any adobo because we have the smoked turkey wing and the chicken base, so I think that's enough salt. So we'll see when it gets done. Black pepper. Okay, and let's see. I want to add some olive oil. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, let's stir that up. Okay, and then I'm going to turn your attention to the pressure cooker. Okay, so now I'm going to put the insert in the pressure cooker. We're going to put the top on it. We locked it down. Now we're going to go up. Let's do 45 minutes. If you was cooking this on the stove, you double that time. There we go. Okay, so that will build up the pressure and it will start running. And we'll be back. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is I've fallen. So let's fill in the blank. I've fallen in love, but love doesn't love me back. I've fallen in debt, and I don't know how to get out of it. I've fallen over hills and over mountains, and it seems like I still can't get to the top. I've fallen asleep, and it just seems like when I woke up, I didn't get enough sleep. I've fallen. That's the word of the day. Okay. Okay guys, our black eyed peas with smoked turkey is out. Look at that. Huh? And of course, I have some cornbread to go with it. Now this is my stuffed cornbread that I made in a previous video. It's stuffed with cabbage, potatoes, and apricot preserve. You don't want to miss that. But the star of the day is our black eyed peas. Look at that, guys, with the stuff, with the smoked turkey. So let me taste that for you. Okay. Good, really good. I taste the smoke coming through from that turkey, and the black eyed peas is nice and soft, and the flavor is awesome. Awesome. Good job, Rachel. Good job. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right.